As you probably heard, Instagram's breaking news, they recently said they're not a photo sharing app. And right now, they're focusing on 4 key areas: creators, video, shopping, and messaging. So Instagram is pushing Reels more than ever. So what does that mean for your small business? You need to start doing more Reels since it will get you the most reach. So if you're looking for Reels to post on your business page, but don't know where to start, I have you covered. In today's video, I'm going to share 4 types of content that you should share on Reels, and make sure to watch until the end so you can learn more about my 30-day Instagram Reels challenge. Hi, and welcome back. My name is Nancy Badillo, and if you're new to the channel, I help small business owners turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so I can notify you of any new videos that I upload. So I get it. It's hard to keep up with everything on Instagram, from filtering your photos in the perfect way to finding engaging hashtags that will help you reach a larger audience. And I probably don't need to tell you how much of an art form posting compelling captions is. Now, I have been using Instagram for my business now for years, but having a social media strategy wasn't something I considered doing myself until the last couple of years. So in case you're struggling like I was, I'm going to share with you my top Instagram content tips and ideas to get you starting. It's really easy to get carried away with doing all the things, but your content should generally fall into 4 buckets. Let's talk about those 4. The first one is viral posts. The idea of a viral post may seem like something that's impossible for most brands and business owners, but what if I told you there was one particular thing that could make all the difference when creating content on Instagram? Whatever you share, it needs to be shareable, and your audience needs to find it relatable. The second type is educational posts. One way to build credibility is by posting educational content that your followers can learn from. This builds a trusting relationship between you and your audience, making them more likely to trust and follow information in the future. And educational posts offer value such as tips and tricks, busting myths about something related within your niche, or providing quick wins. The third is inspirational and story-driven posts. The idea of inspirational and story-driven posts is to make a connection with your audience on a more personal level. You could use photos of yourself, show them that you are a real human by sharing your personal struggles, how you got started, and why they're not alone in the actual journey. The fourth type of posts are promotion. So promotional posts are the best way to get a customer's attention is by showing them that other customers are happy with your products or services, creating eye-catching graphics using reviews and testimonials on your social media, as well as past client success in order to take advantage of this opportunity when you're promoting your products. Now, if you're still watching this, I wanted to invite you to take my 30-day Instagram Reels challenge that starts this Monday, July 12th. For the next 30 days, I will be posting 1 reel a day that you could recreate for your business page. Now, these reels will be simple and easy to do. Why am I doing this? Because Instagram has openly said that they're pushing reels over regular posts, which means if you want to level up your business on Instagram, then you need to be making reels. So right now, you probably don't know where to start, or maybe there's so many reels you want to do, but you have analysis paralysis. And that's why I created this 30-day challenge to help you navigate this whole reel thing. So I will be making them with you 1 day at a time. Together we could do this. So if you're interested to join the challenge, please head over to my Instagram account. I will leave my handle name right here, and give me a follow and tune in every day to my feed to see the new reel. I will see you there. And if you have any questions, please leave them below, and thanks for watching.